Hello, my name is Kevin Pierce with EXFO. In this video, I will show you how to connect to an EXFO test set. In this example, we'll be using the AXS 130 OTDR to connect to my smart device. So I have already downloaded, installed, and logged into Exchange Mobile. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is start Exchange. And once Exchange is launched, you will be in the home window, and you'll see right now, no connected test units. I can press that blue button there, and that will start me on pairing and connecting to a test set. I can also hit the pancake button in the top left, and you can see where there's test units here as well. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and connect to a test unit. And you'll see down at the bottom, there's a button to connect a test unit. You want to make sure that your Bluetooth is activated on your test device as well as your smart device. Some of our units will pair via Wi-Fi. This particular one is Bluetooth. So I'll select connect to a test set. So it has scanned and it sees that there is a unit. Verify the serial number. I'm going to go ahead and select it. Now on the test unit, you may be prompted to connect. If there are any saved results on that device, you can transfer it to your new workspace. In this case, I'm just going to hit ignore. And now we are paired to my test set. Now, while this app is open, any testing that I perform will sync to Exchange Mobile on my smart device. My name is Kevin Pierce. Thank you very much.